Meet Agentic, integrated business planning, performance management, and on-demand financial modeling built on Microsoft Fabric with Claude AI. This is the heartbeat of the platform. The classic 5-review IBP cycle: product, demand, supply, reconciliation, and a management business review, running every month on one governor set. And here, it isn't meetings and spreadsheets. Every review on this wheel is a live module. Watch. We land in demand planning. Our demo group is 3 F&B companies: dairy, poultry, and distribution, running 4 different ERPs, all flowing into Fabric. Each product family has its consensus forecast, actuals, and pricing. And notice the badge. Family revenues tie exactly to the general ledger. And when a planner gets optimistic, watch this. Claude challenges the number at the point of entry against their own history. The supply review answers the question sales never asks. Can we actually make it? Line utilization against the 95% ceiling. Inventory cover by family. And procurement spend that reconciles to the penny with the cost ledger. And when demand beats capacity, poultry line A at 104%. The platform doesn't just report the breach. Claude frames the options with their financial impact, and the executive decision is logged and owned. Now, the part nobody else has. Production planning used to run entirely on Excel. Order consensus, bill of materials, capacity checks, grain requirements. 3.5 days, 14 spreadsheets every month. The agent now runs it in 13 minutes. 46 orders exploded through yields and feed conversion ratios into exact corn and soybean tonnage, checked against silo stock and open purchase orders. 612 checks, and the agent never publishes anything. It raises exceptions, and a human approves each one with a full audit trail. Approved, logged, done. Feeding that decision, a predictive engine on grain prices. Futures curves, US and Brazil production indices, backtested to around 2.5% error, with a 12-month forward forecast and confidence band driving the hedging recommendation. The model informs, the human executes. Next in the rollout, confirmed order management. Every order matched to delivery on price, quantity, and cost. So margin leakage is caught before month-end close, not discovered after. Here's the December sample. The leakage by cause, by customer, while the invoice can still be corrected. And every function plans in its own language. Finance sets assumptions. HR plans headcount and salaries. Supply chain sets stock policy. And this strip at the bottom recomputes the full year 2026 plan live on every keystroke. One share plan, no versions of the truth. It all rolls up here, the integrated dashboard. 12 KPIs across finance, commercial, supply, operations, and people, with the FY26 plan built straight from those inputs. An EBITDA bridge showing which function drove it, and one-click downside and upside scenarios. Consolidation across 3 companies and a holding for ERPs. Intercompany eliminations computed automatically, everything netting to 0. What used to take a fortnight is now a calculation. Strategy isn't a slide deck here. 5 objectives, quantified targets, 8 funded initiatives, with promised benefits tracked against realized. This one is behind plan, and it's visibly on the stop, continue, or accelerate agenda. And my favorite moment, click any number, and it explains itself. The drivers behind it, the assumptions behind those, who owns each one, and a Claude-drafted narrative where every figure is bound to the calculation engine. The AI never does the maths. That's why a CFO can sign this. Ask what if and get the answer in the meeting. Feed costs up 8%, and the full consequence appears in seconds. Then operational, financial, and strategic reporting. Variance decomposed into price, volume, and mix, packs generated with 0 assembly, all exportable to Excel or PDF. Behind everything you've seen, one reconciled dataset, 40 Excel sheets, 12,000 validated formulas, and a Fabric Lakehouse template your engineers can build from on day one. Agentic AI, augmented outcomes.